Good morning, students. Today I am back with your grammar chapter 12, present tense. These are three basic tenses. They are past tense, present tense, and future tense. Chapter 12, we are going to learn present tense. Look at these three sentences. Ayan goes to school every day. Ayan went to school yesterday. Ayan will go to school tomorrow. Here, the first sentence tells us something that Ayan does regularly. This is about the present time. The second sentence tells us something that Ayan has already done, that is the past. The third sentence tells us something that Ayan is going to do later or in the future. This is about the future. Thus, as I told you, there are basically three tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Now, a small table is given which will tell you what the tenses are. First, present. A verb which refers to present time is said to be in the present tense. For example, I write, I study, I play, I eat, etc. Second, past tense. A verb which refers to past time is said to be in the past tense. For example, I wrote, I studied, I ate, I played, etc. The third is future tense. A verb which refers to future time is said to be in the future tense. For example, I will write, I will study, I will play, I will eat, etc. Look at the table below. Note how verbs change with time. Present time, past times, and future times. Here examples are given. Amy eats chocolates. Joe ate chocolates. Salma will eat chocolates. The dog barked loudly. The dog barked loudly. The dog will bark loudly. Anu loves apples. Sam loved mangoes. Dhruv will love the painting. The baby smiles happily. The baby smiled happily. The baby will smile happily. Simran walked to school every day. Jatin walked to school yesterday. Dhoni will walk to school tomorrow. So these are the example of present time, past time, and future times. You can revise this table. It will become easy to understand. Okay. Now I shall explain you simple present. With I, we, you, and they, the base form of the verb is used. With he, she, and it, the verb and is s or es. A table. I, we, you, they work, and he, she, it works. This is a very important table to be remembered. We use a simple present tense first for things that happen again and again. I play cricket every Sunday. Shobna often sings in the stage. Gopi usually gets up at 6 o'clock. We watch TV in the evening. These are the things which happens again and again regularly. Second, for things that are always true. The sun sets in the west. Oil floats on water. Boat fly at night. Bats fly at night. These are the things happening which are true. Third, for things that stay the same for the long time. My uncle works in a bank. They live in Mumbai. Everybody likes him. These are the things for the long term. Exercise 1. Complete the sentence using the verb in the box in the simple present tense. The words are given in the box. Now we shall discuss this exercise. My grandfather lives in Mumbai. The sun sets in the west. The children drink milk every morning. He waters the plant daily. They go to church regularly. Rain falls from the cloud. These are the example of simple present tense. You have to pick up the words from the box and write the answer given in this exercise in the dash. Now present continuous. The present continuous tense is formed with am, is, are plus present participle ing forms. We use this tense to talk about things which are happening now. Here a small box is given. I am working. We are working. You are working. They are working. He is working. She is working. It is working. Now, examples are given here. I am reading now. The birds are building a nest. The phone is ringing. Will you answer it? Look, the bus is coming. The children are playing. Exercise 2. What are these people doing? Use the following verb to complete the sentence in present continuous tense. Here the words are given in the box. Watch, read, paint, lay, write, skate, good, fight and sleep. Now, we shall discuss this exercise. She is cooking. He is reading a newspaper. He is watching TV. She is writing on the blackboard. The baby is sleeping. They are laying the table. He is painting. The boys are fighting. He is skating. These are the good example of present continuous tense. Now present perfect. We use the present perfect tense for action in the past when we are not thinking or talking about the exact time that they took place. There may be result now. This tense links the past with the present in some ways. See the example given in the box. I have worked. We have worked. You have worked. They have worked. She has worked. He has worked. It has worked. Now, Mr. Singh has gone to Kolkata. He is not here now. Means he has already gone. This is a present perfect. I have lost my identity card. I don't have it now. So in present, he is not having, he have already lost. I have finished with the newspaper. You can take it. We have bought a new car. We have a new car now. Where have you been? Now compare the two columns. Present perfect tense and simple past tense. The present perfect is used when the time is not specific, and the simple past is used when the time is clear. I have seen that beach already. We don't know when. Perfectly time cannot be said. Now here. I saw that beach on Thursday. We know exact when. When is Thursday. Exercise 3. Complete the sentence using the verb in the box in present perfect tense. You can use not where necessary. Now, here also in a box some words are given. Steal, cook, arrive, buy, sell, plan, forget, write, post. I shall discuss this exercise with you. I have posted the letters. Somebody has stolen my purse. She has cooked the dinner. They have sold out the tickets. Hurry up, the train has arrived. They have bought a new house. We have not forgotten our holiday yet. He has written 5 letters to her. Now exercise 4. put complete. Okay. Complete the sentence using the verb given in the bracket. Use simple past or simple perfect tense. Now, last year we went to Italy. Here go will become went. Emily and Molly has not eaten their lunch yet. Not eaten. Both have been used adding has. You have learnt all the new words. You need not worry about the test. Learn, have learnt. I visited my auntie last week. Visit will become visited. Simple past. I have never tried chocolate fudge ice cream before. Have never tried. John and Peggy have done their homework. Now they can watch the film. Do will become have done. I met my friend 2 days ago. Meet. Meet will become met. That is a simple past. Students, I request you to revise all the exercise and the definitions. Thank you.